Hello, this video is going to be showing you some of the things that you can do with Active Explorer, and this is a Web 2.0 tool that you can use with your classrooms. If you read the summary of what the Active Explorer tool can do for you, I'm just going to go through how to create a quest. And basically, if you want to start your own quest, after you've logged in, you can create a new quest, and it'll have all of these fields that you can fill out. The introduction, you give the quest a title, the completion date, password, and all of the information for the quest itself. The to-do list, what kind of tasks do you want the student to do? Take a photo, make a video, capture sound, make a map, draw a picture, or write something. And you can add them here. The questions that you can ask the students to respond to. If you want to add a question, you just click on that and it gives you different types of questions that you can create, customize. And finally, if you want them to add a chart, graph, you can set some defaults for that as well. Right now, I don't really want to create my own quests. Rather, I'm just going to go to the quest gallery, and these are quests that have been created for you, or by other teachers rather. And we're going to go to math, since we talked about math, and go to Fraction Land. So this quest was created, and it gives you an idea of grade that's geared toward the subject, and it gives you all of the introduction. So I'm going to go to the top again and use this quest. Once I use this quest, I do need to fill in a couple of things. So in the introduction, I'm going to hit plus, and you're going to notice though that the quest title has already been filled in. The completion date, obviously, it's going to need to be customized for your students. The quest password, they're going to need this in order to access your quest. So make up a quest password, 6 characters minimum, and your invitation, everything is filled out for you. And so from there, I can basically, if I think everything else is good, in which case the tasks are already filled out for us, because this is someone had created this. The questions are filled out for us, and again too, you can customize it however you want once you borrow this quest. And I can save and preview. Once I do that, you have to make note of the quest number, which is 167, and you have to remember the password that you created. And once that's set, and review it, then it's ready to go. So if I go back to home, we don't really want to share. If I share this, then it's going to be put into the gallery, in which case it's already there because I borrowed it from another person. So if I go to home, you're going to notice that Fraction Land was created for me, and it will appear as a quest that my students can use. After I've assigned the quest, the student will go to their iPad or their Android device, and they will tap on the Active Explorer icon. And if you hit the plus button, it'll ask to join a new quest. You tell the student it's going to be quest number 167, and then the password that we gave, and you would hit join quest. And I've already done that, so you notice that the new quest is here, and it's called Fraction Land. And I can hit start, and it will give all of the information about this. We do information about the quest, the to-do. To complete this quest, we need to do these things. So just take a photo of your fraction, write a note about the whole, what is part of, take a picture of your fraction when it's doubled, picture of fraction when it's divided in half, write a word problem that could go along with your fraction. The toolkit is located along the bottom, and it will allow you to take all of the multimedia that you will need to complete this assignment. Now that I've completed all of the assignments, and you can check them on and off on the blue circle, I'm going to go to my questions, and I can finish these questions by checking the right answer. And when that's finished, and I'm going to be finishing these up, half, 1/2, Now that I've done the questions and the to-do, I'm going to check my backpack, and my backpack has all of the photos and Word files that I've created, and I can go back to my Quest page, and I'm going to upload, and it's going to say upload materials, and it uploads everything, and that's it. And I'm going to head back to the website to check all of my material. I'm now in the iPad's web browser, the Safari web browser, and I'm logged in as the student. I can see that Fractionland is here, and when I click on it, it's going to show all of the files that were uploaded by the iPad, and I can even add more stuff. And with the stuff that I have created, I can create a slideshow, a poster, a comic, or create a book. And I'm going to mark my quest as done. And now that it's marked quest as done, when I go back to my teacher page, the leader page, I'll have a notification that the student has finished its work. So I'm back on the leader's website, the teacher's website, and I can see Fractionland is there. Click on the link, it has the description again, and at the very bottom it shows the explorers, and there's the student's name, and I can click on that to go to the materials that the student created. Thank you very much for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed learning about this tool.